Looking for reliable HVAC solutions? Presidential Ventilation Systems has you covered with expert heat pump installation and repair, plus ductless systems for versatile comfort. Our skilled technicians ensure top-notch furnace replacement and HVAC services. Need improved air quality? We specialize in efficient air exchanger and HRV installations with regular maintenance to keep your systems running smoothly. Our goal is your comfort and energy efficiency every season. Ready for reliable service? Call us today. You'll feel the difference with Presidential Ventilation Systems on your side.